Welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyway, now over the world, good evening, good afternoon. And thank you guys for like and share. And guys, this table is a table cover and it's a round table cover. Guys, what I do before, I measure the table right around guys. And then I do in the middle this way guys. That's what I did on my table. And then when I finish, I put the material like this, guys. Put it into like this, guys. And then I turn it like this, guys. Before I put on the drop, guys, I even it, okay? I even it, guys, put the drop. I heat it guys, and then I turn it like this guys, and then I cut it right around, and then I make my drop. I measure my drop to the table and I drop them. Some I make them like this and some I make them this way, and then I drop them 7 inches in, 7 inches each. And guys, I'm going to the machine now to stop stitch it right around. And this I leave away, guys, to turn it over. Look what I did, guys. See it? I leave here. I'm going to turn it over. See? I'm going to turn it over. And then I'm going to go back on the machine now and stitch right around. And thank you, guys, for like and share. And enjoy the video. Now thumb the video up, guys.